I have an opt-in page. It's a page on the internet that is promoting a particular workshop, and it has an opt-in box, a form, an opt-in form where they can get the thing for free, register for free, get it now for free, whatever it is that you're offering for free, some kind of lead magnet, whatever it might be. They press submit on the free thing, and now it's taken us to step 2. And step 2 is basically the thank you confirmation page. And in this instance, because it was a thing for free, I've actually added the delivery of the workshop recording. So here's the difference between when we have a paid funnel and a free funnel. A free thing funnel, an opt-in funnel, is when you're predominantly using a funnel to collect people's email addresses in exchange for giving them some kind of freebie. Now, the difference between a paid thing and a free thing is that obviously with a free thing, you're not going to have the checkout step because nobody's buying anything. So the only difference is that we remove step 2, which is the checkout step. All it is simply the page, the opt-in page that's saying, here's why you should give me your email address. And then it takes them straight to the thank you page to confirm that they have opted in successfully. You either then deliver the free thing via email, which I'm going to show you how to do today, or like me, in the case of it being a free workshop, I literally embedded the free workshop on the thank you page so that they got it straight away, immediately in front of their face, and also by email as well. Woo! We just did a degree in funnels right there. Is that helpful already? We haven't even got started yet. So now with the free things still in mind here, what we have on that front page is we have what's called an opt-in form. A form needs to be created behind the scenes to be able to collect that person's email address if we're not collecting it in a checkout. If you're using a funnel to sell something for something that's paid, you collect their email address at the checkout stage. So this is the only difference between a free thing and a paid thing. Collect the email and the contact details at the checkout stage. If it's a paid thing, you collect their email address on the front page via a form, and you follow up in either ways in the same method. Okay, this is still going to feel overwhelming for a while. Stick with me. Okay, we're just introducing the topic right now. So broken down in a slightly different way as a summary then, for a free thing or a paid thing, is you're always going to have the opt-in page, which is usually a word we use for something that's free, or the sales page, which is the page wording we use for something that's for sale. Either way, on that page, you either have the opt-in form or the buy button, which is what triggers to then either send them to the opt-in form or the checkout, and then them completing the opt-in or completing the checkout process then sends them through to triggering off what we call a workflow, which is what delivers the thing that they have opted into or purchased from you. And we're going to walk through this whole process today. How exciting.